Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, My Elder Brother, from Unit 4 Marigold Text, Class 5 English. Before we going to start our video, I request all you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos. So the lesson name is My Elder Brother. It's a play. It's a short play. Do you know what do you mean by play? Play means a drama. Okay children, this chapter is written by Munshi Premchand. He is a very well-known poet and a writer of Hindi literature. And he had written a novel, Bade Bhai Sahib. And this chapter is taken from that story. In English, it will be My Elder Brother. Through the story, the playwright says to be telling us learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. We all share a special bond with our siblings. We fight with them, tease with them, play with them, okay? But when face some challenges in the life, it is they who we turn to. Our elder brothers and sisters provide guidance on many aspects in life. So here, this story highlights the bond between two brothers who were very loving and respectful with each other. Now, I'm going to read the story and you should follow my reading, right? This is a play so that there are many scenes are described. So here in the scene 1, it is a hostel room. There are two brothers were at a study table and the elder brother, he was 14 and he was reading a book, and the younger brother Munna, he was 9 years. He was drawing pictures. Okay children, now you look at the page number 65. Here the conversation starts. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. So in the first scene, the two brothers, they are in a hostel room. Both the Bhaiya and Munna, they were talking. Here, Bhaiya is asking to Munna that, what are you doing? And Munna replies that he was drawing. So again, Bhaiya is asking that, when will you study? So here, the Munna doubtfully asking his brother that, why should he take so much time for his studies? Bhaiya says that, I want to study so much because he want to make his foundation in education to be very strong. So he was very keen in his studies. Now let's see what happens. Munna, Bhaiya, you're 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, you know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Here, Munna is saying that Bhaiya is 5 years older than Munna, but only 3 years ahead of him in school. Children, here Munna is asking his brother Bhaiya that why does he keep on writing one word again and again? You know, he practiced a lot of times to study or write each words and sentence several times. Okay, why he do things again and again? That was Munna's question to his brother. And his brother told him that studying English was not child's play. It's not very easy. So one has to work very hard to get into it or learn this subject. So, to speak English properly, extreme hard work is needed. And also, he pointed that when Munna got a chance, he ran to the fields, play marbles, fly the kites, or sitting idling with his friends, or spend his friends. So, here Munna is wasting his time. He is not using his time for studying. So, Bhaiya advising Munna, you should find more time for your studies. Otherwise, what happens? He will not perfect in his studies. Now, let's look what happened in the page number 66. Munna, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in village today. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard earned money. So, children, here Munna is asking his brother that we should go to the Mela or fair in the nearby village. So, here Bhaiya is scolding to Munna and he says that he's just wasting his valuable time. Munna is wasting his valuable time. And he also says that he don't like to want to go to the fair and he does not like to watch a hockey or cricket match. So he likes to sit near the table and give more importance in his studies. And Bhaiya again reminds Munna not to waste father's hard earned money. So you should study well, otherwise you will fail. Okay. So after hearing this, Munna started to cry because his brother scolded him. Okay, so Munna starts crying on being scolded and sobbing sounds wah wah, baba, hoo are heard. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now, stop crying. Put a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Okay, here Munna started crying and said to his brother that he feel like running away and he wished to go back to home because both they are staying in the hostel room. Okay, that's why Munna says to his brother that he does not want to stay in the hostel, so he wants to go back to his home. So after hearing this, his brother Bhaiya, he just console him and he tells him he will make a timetable for his study. And also he says that you should follow this timetable and study likewise. Okay, children, here you can see the timetable that here Bhaiya made for his brother Munna. Here the time and schedule is given. 6 a.m. wash your hands, have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English, 8 to 9 a.m. Maths, 9 to 9:30 a.m. History, 3:30 then off to school. 5 to 6 p.m. grammar, half an hour for strolling. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition, then dinner. 8 to 9 p.m. translation, 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi, 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects, and then to bed. Okay, children, now look at the page number 16, 7. Munna, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya, play? What's the need, Munna? Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and hoo sound of the kabaddi and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. See, here the Munna asking to time for play. And Bhaiya says there is no need to play. But Munna loves to play in the field. He loves to play volleyball, football, kabaddi, all these things. He loves to do. But his brother wanted him to study only. And Munna says then when he was in the field, he forget everything. So here the Munna is shocked to see this timetable and he wants to get more time to play. So here the scene 1 is ended. We will learn the remaining part of the lesson in another video. I hope you understood the scene 1. Thank you.